Hey guys, I just want to do a quick Bitcoin update. I did a short video on Bitcoin earlier today, and I showed you this. Basically, I showed you that this oscillator typically, when we come to the top here in this 85 range, and then we flip red and start coming down, typically the price will kind of crash. So we have it here, we have it here, we have it here, over and over again. That's the pattern that we see. But I pointed out that right now, we've had it for a while, but this price has remained stable, holding this level of support. This is the critical level of support for this range, right? And I just kind of mentioned that the oscillator has been coming down, and it looks like it's going to reset while maintaining this support level, which is very promising. It's a very bullish sign. Now, I don't want to tell you how bullish this is without telling you the other side, and we are seeing some bearish price action. So to show you that, I'll just change my chart right now. And I'll show you this. Basically, this is the daily chart. And right now, I mean, the candle hasn't closed, so this is not really of concern yet. But if the daily candle closes looking like this, that's a bearish engulfing candle. That's not good. But just if you understand price action, you'll notice here at the start of this range, we were coming up, coming down, coming up, coming down, all the way. We were making use of the whole range, right? And then now we're just spending a lot more time on the lower part of the range, and we're making lower highs. So if I'm going to dial that down to the 4-hour to give you a better look at it, you see every time, you know what, even probably the 1 hour is even better to show you. This is the level that the price is getting the resistance from you. So you see, we come here, get rejected. We make a lower high, get rejected. A lower high once again, rejected. So if you want to trade Bitcoin, I would suggest going on the 1 hour and mark this resistance level, because this is the level that the price is adhering to on the upside, right? But that's not a good sign, guys, because before the price will come up to the top of the range here before getting rejected, now our rejection range is a lot more narrow. And the more times we hit the support level, so I have the support marked out here at around 29,580, right? Roughly, maybe a little bit lower than that, 29,005. But the more often we stay in this lower range and hit it and test it, the more likely it is to break, which is not good. So I'm not going to panic until we start, well, not panic, I mean, I'm not going to enter a short position until if we start closing daily candles below this support level. That's when I will maybe look to enter some shorts. But until then, we're still in the range, but I did like the bullish leaning video earlier today, so I want to show you this. This is kind of like the bearish price action side that's going on right now. So yeah, put this support line on your chart, keep track of that. And another thing I'm seeing is if I'm going to go to the, let's see if I think I can see it on the daily here. Let's switch this up. And while we've been in this range, we are showing some bearish signs on the oscillator right here. So this is a bearish divergence. No big deal because we held this lower range of support. But here, the stochastic, the good thing is that it's reset while maintaining this thing, but it seems to be showing some signs of weakness here. Let's see on the weekly. Oh yeah, this is what I wanted to show you, the weekly. So basically we have like kind of like equal highs here, but you see on the oscillator, we're making we had a high and then we made a lower high, kind of a sign of weakness. And we're seeing that also on this stochastic, where we're making the same thing, kind of like a high then a lower high. Bearish signs, but again, don't really panic. Or I mean, I'm not going to tell you what to do. I'm not really too concerned until we break below and close a daily candle below this support. But just basically a lesson in price action. You know, the more times you hit a support, the more likely it is to break. And every time you bounce off of it, making a lower high each time, it's a sign of weakness. Okay, but yeah, still in the range, still considered healthy. I'm not too concerned with it yet. If this level does break, then I will look to this upward. Here, I'll zoom out for you on the weekly chart here so you can get an idea. If this level breaks down, then I'm going to look to this upsloping support line as a potential support. If that breaks, then obviously down here at around 24,633, around there. That's what I'll look to. But yeah, until then, we're still in a range, still considered healthy. Not entering shorts right now. Just kind of waiting to see what happens. All right, guys, just a quick update. And if you're not subscribed, maybe subscribe now so you can get notified when I release these videos in the future. I'm doing about 2 or 3 updates every single day. And it's a really small channel right now, so YouTube's not really prioritizing me in the search engine. So if you try to find this channel, once you click away, it might be hard to find. All right, guys, take care. Bye.